Okay, this is at the mulch bags again, and you can see it's raining decently hard, and it's flowing, and some of it is actually making it to the French drain. So I think a little rise where this last mulch bag is from a bit of a dry creek up here where it's naturally flowing closer to the house to catch anything that gets past the upper ditch, goes into the dry rock creek, comes down here, goes into the French drain instead of washing out the road to go down to the river. Because this French drain has the storm sewers that go along the east side of the road and channel to Happy Sack Creek through the culverts. It's coming down pretty steadily and supposed to rain all day. This was a real educational trip out here. I'm going to go get my shovel and go out back and try to get it to waterfall into the river instead of the pool area where it's pooling and draining to the river the long way. We're going to shortcut it, I hope.